Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and we recently did a shout out about a giveaway that I'm doing for Smart Dolls, and you're going to get an outfit like this, the pair of jeans. I could pull those out and show you again, but if you're in for the draw, then you already saw them. I'm not, but these two skirts come with it. You will get a red cup and a white cup. And we are ready to do the spin. We have taken all the names that said they were interested in the drawing. These are our active subscribers. Active subscribers is someone who's subscribed to our channel, watches our videos, leaves likes, and leaves comments. So here we go. Spin the dial. Holly's Dolly Hobby? Oh, that is fantastic. Y'all won't believe this. Holly just got her first Smart Doll and has ordered another. Good thing there's two skirts and two cups. How funny is that? Congratulations, Holly. I'm so excited that you got your Smart Dolls, and now I'm really excited to send you these items. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned. We do hidden giveaways, we do out and out giveaways, and there's a lot of ways to win on our channel. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and it is not too late to subscribe for our next giveaway.